Welcome to Read Along Time with Dr. Thomas. Reading aloud is very special to me, and I think it can be enjoyed by all ages. So go ahead, grab your favorite blanket, get cozy, and join me for Read Along Time.
Hello, reading friends. Thank you for joining me for Read Along Time with the Superintendent. I hope you're having a lot of fun and still making time to read. Today, I am going to read the book Lola Plants a Garden, written by Anna McQuinn and illustrated by Rosalind Beardshaw. In this story, book-loving Lola is inspired by a collection of garden poems that she reads with her mommy. She wants to plant her own garden of beautiful flowers, so she and her mommy go to the library to check out books about gardening. They go buy seeds, make the garden, and mark the rows. Now it's time to wait.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Lola loves her book of garden poems. Her favorite poem is the one about Mary, Mary. Lola wants to plant a garden. Mommy says there's room near the vegetables. Lola gets books about gardens from the library. She chooses her favorite flowers from the books. Mommy makes a list. They go to the garden store to buy seeds. Lola and Mommy make the garden. The seed packets mark where the flowers are planted. Lola will have to wait a long time for them to grow. Lola makes her own flower book while she waits. Mommy types the Mary Mary poem and Lola glues it in. Lola makes a string of bells. She finds shells and some old beads. She even makes a little Mary Mary. One day Lola sees tiny green shoots. She pulls up weeds so the shoots can grow. Lola's flowers grow bigger. They open up to the sun. Daddy helps Lola hang her shiny bells. Lola finds Mary Mary a special spot. It's just perfect. Orla, Ben, and Ty are coming to see Lola's garden. Lola and Mommy make cupcakes. Lola wears her flower shirt. Mommy helps Lola with her hair. Lola's friends love everything about her garden. They share the crunchy peas and sweet strawberries that Mommy grew. Then Lola makes up a story about Mary Mary. What kind of garden will Lola plant next? Lola, Lola extraordinary, how does your garden grow? With flower seeds and shells and beads and happy friends all in a row. Now, I have a few questions about the story that we've just read. Question number 1. Who is this story about? Question number 2. What did she want to make? Question number 3. Where did she plant the seeds? Question number 4. Why did she want to plant the garden? Question number 5. How did she make her flowers grow? And question number 6. When is the best time to plant flowers? Now that you've had time to answer some questions about the story, I think a great activity would be nice to do. Of course, you need to get permission from your parents and maybe have them do this with you. There is this really neat app called Seek. And if you go out in your yard with your parents, with your parents' permission, and use the app Seek, you're able to take pictures of different flowers, and it will tell you exactly what type of plant you have in your surroundings. So I hope you enjoy that fun activity. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed today's Read Aloud. And remember, the more you read, the more things you will know. And the more you learn, the more places you'll go. Literacy development is a vital part of a child's overall development. Reading also stimulates a child's imagination and expands his or her understanding of the world. There's a lot of research that documents and confirms the benefits of reading aloud to children. It builds a strong bond that can last a lifetime. So thank you so much for joining me for Read Along Time with the Superintendent. Happy reading!